To fix send error on Coinbase wallet, follow these steps. First, ensure your wallet is updated to the latest version, as outdated software can cause errors. Open the App Store or Play Store, search for Coinbase Wallet, and install any available updates. Next, check your internet connection, as a weak or unstable connection can prevent transactions from processing. Move to a location with a strong and stable internet connection and try sending the transaction. Again, if the issue persists, check the recipient's address, as entering an incorrect address can result in a failed transaction. Double-check the address and try sending the transaction again. Also, be aware of the minimum and maximum send limits, as exceeding these limits can cause errors. Another common cause of send errors is insufficient funds, so ensure you have enough balance in your wallet to cover the transaction amount and any associated fees. If you are trying to send a large amount, consider breaking it up into smaller transactions. Additionally, check for any pending transactions, as these can prevent new transactions from processing. Wait for any pending transactions to clear or cancel them if possible. It is also a good idea to check the Coinbase wallet status page for any known issues or maintenance that may be affecting the service. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try restarting the app or logging out and logging back in. This can sometimes resolve connectivity or software issues. If the problem persists, contact Coinbase support for further assistance, as they can provide more detailed guidance and help resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the send error on your Coinbase wallet, and get back to managing your cryptocurrency transactions with ease.